Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much ukuthi ungijoyine, ngiyabonga kakhulu. So kule video ke sizokhuluma ke lapha ngabo bhuti ababili UZakes Bantwini no DJ Cleo. Ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi kukhona ke ukungaboni ngasolinye mhlambe ukuphazamisana ngasho okuye kwenzeka lapha on Twitter. Sizoya lapha ka Twitter lapha ngisaseka Sunday World ngwasebeze babhala ne story ngodaba oluphakathi kuZakes Bantwini no DJ Cleo. It's not like really like something serious for me. Ngibona ngathi nje ukhona omunye okhulumile something, omunye waphatheka kabi, washo ukuthi ngiphatheke kabi nje, omunye wasexolisa. Yona into engiyibonile bafethi sizoyake lapha na kuthi Sunday World bebebhalile but UZakes Bantwini apologizes for criticizing Cleo's quite tribute. Okay, so UZakes Bantwini posted on social media that while he appreciated DJ Cleo's tribute, he was a little let down. Right, he didn't say much, but he just said that. Ngibone ne-Twitter yakhe futhi ngizobe ngilahlele ku screen sami ekaZakes Bantwini wasokusho ukuthi uCleo ke uyaphendula laphana ta buti angikomnandi ngalento ishilo ngoba mina angaze ngikhulume kabi ngawe, something like that. Okay, asifunde laphana ke bebesibhalele ka before siya ka Twitter kuma tweets wabo ngoba khona abantu ade bephawula ngaphansi zothanda ukuthi bese sinjani sifunda nama replies wabantu, something like that. DJ Cleo's quiet tribute said at the South African Music Awards lapha kuma Summers ceremony on Saturday evening seemed not to impress UZakes Bantwini, right? Then Grammy Award winner ke uZakele Madida, better known by his stage name UZakes Bantwini, uye wapost on social media that while he appreciated DJ Cleo's tribute, he was a little let down. What I really enjoyed ngizolahlela ku screen uthi I really enjoyed the 30-year Kwaito tribute by DJ Cleo, but I was disappointed that the Durban Kwaito music era was not adequately represented in his mix. Yona nto eshiyo UZakes Bantwini if you look at that tweet. And then Cleo was saying, my brother, I love you and your moves, and I have always rooted for you. I have never tweeted or said anything negative about you. So Cleo lapha sephendula UZakes Bantwini akodwa mina ngaze ngikhulume lutho olubi ngawe, singazi ukuthi mhlambe yena i-tweet kaZakes Bantwini uyithethe ngenye indlela yafika kuye, otherwise kube ukuthi UZakes Bantwini did not mean anything bad. He didn't mean any harm. He was just expressing his views, something like that. Kwasho ukuthi uCleo mhlambe akaphathekanga kahle, something like that. Bafethu uthe yena kuye, you have my number and you know that summers are very political and are not my show or platform. Let us lead the youngings by example and not do social media rants like them. I think lo Cleo ke ekhuluma ke noZakes Bantwini ethi inamba yami nayo ke kube bona izinsolo thize kubeke at least uncontactile ngangale, you know, rather than coming on social media usazi ukuthi lento vele yama summers inobu political nyana. Yona nto ebisho Cleo laphana wasexolisa ke UZakes Bantwini athi hayi buti bengasho ukuthi njani ngiza kubi, but I was just saying like in a very like musical side of things. Washo ukuthi mhlambe uDJ Cleo ayimphathi kahle. This is what happened between the two brothers. Now without wasting any time, UZakes Bantwini apologized to the Radio 2000 DJ and for his post. Uyiwaxolisa ngempela wathi I apologize if my previous tweet offended you. My comment was driven by my passion for music. UZakes Bantwini ethi ngicommente because mina icomment yami it was driven by passion music. Hayi ukuthi mhlambe I was just there to hate your feelings or whatsoever. So what you are right, I should have reached out to you directly. Please accept my sincere apology. That was UZakes Bantwini. In the meantime, okay, sebekhuluma ngoTaylor ngizothanda ukuthi siyeke laphana ku tweet yaka UZakes Bantwini no DJ Cleo laphendele khona sizokwazi ukuthi ke siye ngaphansi siza ukuthi ebebetheni ke abantu under their let me just go under then omunye uthena ke I saw nothing wrong with your tweet, Zakes. I know Twitter is a very negative space and perhaps DJ Cleo was worried that trolls will unnecessarily turn the tweet into something negative. I would personally love seeing more healthy criticism so we can engage for the music, for the love of music. This is someone And then omunye athena, Cleo is really dramatic, brother. I can't believe he is stripping you of your right to have an opinion. This is quite embarrassing. Did well by apologizing to him so that you can have a full day. And then omunye wathi, but you hadn't tweeted at that. If you haven't tweeted that, we wouldn't have known that summers are political. At least now we will have some understanding that it's not the artist's fault when things that don't seem right happen kuma summers. Omunye wathi enza njena ke amadoda, thank you gents, leadership. Omunye wathi this is leadership, no retaliation at all. Bakhulume kahle ngempela, but ukhona DJ Cleo bengaphathekanga kahle, but awuzange kube na that kind of drama the snacks one. No, it was just ama tweet nje ukuthi omunye utweetile, omunye wathi hayi ndoda kodwa why ukhulume kanje, omunye wasexolisa kwaba ukuthi bayayidlulisa, you know what I mean. And then omunye kodwa uthena ungaxolisi UZakes Bantwini, ubungekho wrong. Nayo Bra Cleo mustn't take things personal. It's a positive criticism, but I like how you guys handled it. Yeah, ayizange ibe nomsindo, you know what I mean. And big up to UZakes Bantwini for apologizing. Ayizange ibe nomsindo nje ngempela bafowethu. Omunye wathi hayibo DJ Cleo badula bakwatile, sis man, this is someone. Okay, and then let me see, omunye wathi the fact that he responded the way he did should tell you that your tweet offended him. Therefore, the first sentence was not necessary. Somebody saying, but Cleo could have just said, you know how the summers work. They create a playlist for you. I did not select those songs. Easy nje. Hey, I love you. Hey, rooted for you. Hey. Hi, good evening, Shemba Fred. But yeah, someone saying absolutely nothing wrong with what UZakes Bantwini said. The Durban music industry dominated for 2 decades. It was a prominent feature of the 30 years of democracy, and it should have been recognized as such, and he should be allowed to say that on public platforms. Since you clear Etena, you have my number, you should have come to me, blah, blah, blah. But again, anyway, and then this is our problem. A constructive criticism, we are up in arms instead of accepting and improving ourselves. DJ Cleo, you could do better than that. Nobody is perfect. Accepting criticism, I'll never pull you down. You are a legend. Okay, so yeah, I mean, kunzima ukuba ngomzwa ngendaba. You can't express an opinion without someone getting touched. You were disappointed how something was represented, but you never said anything about the quality of the mix. So I don't understand why Cleo is touched. So kuningi lapha abantu bephendula ke kuleya ngxoxo ka Cleo no UZakes Bantwini. Omunye wathi, but you said nothing wrong. Bo Cleo bana lidi anger issues, shame. But thank you for always being a bigger person. You didn't even have to apologize, but you did. You are indeed an icon. There is nothing to apologize for, really, and nothing offensive was said by UZakes Bantwini. Let's just be real, honestly. So yeah, abantu abaningi bethi big ups to UZakes Bantwini for apologizing. Bafethu nami nje ngithi big ups for apologizing. Ubeseyothini nkosi yami, omunye mayithi angiphathekanga kahle ngento eshoyo, and mina ngaze ngikhuluma lutho lobi ngawe. So kwaye ukuthi ke uyaxolisa ke yasiyadlula kanjalo indaba ke, kodwa ke abantu bebephawulile ngaphansi. That's why ngithi asambe siyofunda kama tweets abantu ngaphansi. Into ezikanjalo phawula ka comment section usho ukuthi ucabangane ngale drama nyana, ingasi drama etheni, but yeah, umunye mayithi bra, why are you saying something like that, une number zami da nangaze ngisho lutho. Umunye nje phawulile khona ukuthi nje na ube ne view ukuthi hayi man, lento le uyibhale phansi, kanti ke umnikazi wendaba akazukuthanda bese yaphawula ukuthi angithandi lento isho, you know. But akuzange kwaba ingxabano etheni ke. Sungaphawula on the comment section, like i video, like subscribe, ungakhohlwa subscribe, share. Sibonane futhi kwenye landelayo. Bye.